Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my Catchall planner. It is for the week of the 25th of January through the 31st. And if you're here for the first time, thank you so much for joining me. And if you're already subscribed, you're awesome. Thank you so much. So let's continue. I pulled out the mega sticker book and I took the long sidebar sticker and I placed it there, and I'm just continuing with the blues. So I'm super fast forwarding this because I'm probably going to go through so many books. So this is from the winter 2020. I just pulled out the sweater. I am going to continue with the blues for the month of January. I think that's so pretty. Blue is my favorite color, but also I think when I flip through, it's just going to be so cohesive and beautiful. So I'm just gonna go through the mega seasonal and see if anything's here. If I could use any of these, and not really. There's not too much blue in the winter section, and obviously I don't want to put in anything from the spring in there or like summer because that wouldn't fit the feel. But the Happy Year sticker book that I'm working on the side up here has this beautiful unique blue called Periwinkle, and I think that might work. And of course I'm gonna check one of my favorite books, but that doesn't have anything that I'm looking for either. And now we're back to normal. Let's get planning. So I'm gonna start placing some boxes all around, and look how beautiful they are. This color just pops off the page, and I'm so excited about it because again, I've never planned with this color before, so it's so exciting. Okay, so we have some of the boxes. So I think I'm gonna stick with the teals and blues, and really light blues as well. Oh, look at this, that's so pretty. It says bring on the sweaters. Let's place it right there, and then in the corner I can put this really light blue that matches the sweater in there, and add a few more of these boxes in the same color, and that's gonna kind of save the spread. Once you add a color to a spread, I feel like you need to find a couple more of the same color and add them throughout your spread to balance it out. Otherwise, it kind of looks like a sore thumb sticking out on your page. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a couple page flags because I really have been enjoying using those almost as a washi, and we'll go from there. So this is winter 2020 that I'm pulling out of right now. I really love this book. I think it was made so well, and I didn't think I'm going to use it as much as I did, or as much as I do, but again, I think it's brilliant. I don't like this box there. It's because it's rounded. I think it's kind of putting me off, so I'm gonna put it higher up and go from there. Okay, and I have a pretty big event on the 29th. I wanted to make sure I have a little thing up there, so that's what I did. Okay, I think that looks good. And I was thinking about using the sweater weather, but it has a Santa on it, which is no longer Christmas. It hasn't been Christmas for a month, so that's not really fitting. But making memories is always a thing, and I think that's good, especially with a huge thing like buying a home. So on the 29th, me and my boyfriend have a closing on our first home together. Hopefully this home will be possibly our forever home, because I do love the neighborhood and the location of it, but we shall see. And then another thing is wake me up when winter is over. That's exactly how I feel. Seriously, this is how I feel 100%. Okay, I don't know how this happened, but this sticker is either not cut correctly or it got stuck together somehow. But those two little stickers, because those two of them are stuck together and there's nothing I can do. Let me see if I put them together, if it's going to be a big deal. But I think it might be. I think it looks wrong. Yeah, no, that's too much. Way too much. Oh my gosh, that's gotta go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take the sticker from the other side that says wake me up when winter is over, and I'm gonna move it to the other side. And even though this is a clear sticker, you can still use the magic of undo on them. So we'll go underneath and saturate it, and look how easy. No ruined sticker. Woohoo! And I'm gonna put this right over. So yep, I think that's gonna work just well. Okay, it's time for some checklists because I'm gonna run out of room and it's gonna be purely decoration. I won't be able to do anything, and I have so much to do this week. So let's draw those lines really quick, and I'm using circles because of the rounded tops of those boxes. I think circles will look great. And then you guys see how close I get to the page when I do this. So I apologize for popping in here. And sometimes I'll do a couple lines on top, couple on the bottom. I kind of just do it wherever I have space. It doesn't really bug me that it's not in one line, as long as I'm able to write everything that I need to do that day and go from there. How do you guys plan? Do you make sure that you have every single line in one after another in consecutive way, or are you okay with having lines here and there and not really worrying about where they go like I do? So now we need to fill up that gap right there. And I do want this winter fun because I think it's gonna match. So let me see if I can separate them, because I think they're just stuck together. I think it was just done incorrectly and that's why, but who knows. See, it was one on top of another and now it's the other way. Okay, so I think I fixed it. Winter fun, there we go. Yeah, something was wrong with that sticker, and it happens, and it's okay. I still make them work if I love them enough. I think this new winter book has so many Christmassy things. It's I really like it, but I think it's a little bit more Christmas than winter. Okay, next thing is adding all of these little blue boxes that I really like into my spread and adding more functionality to it. I mean, it's already super functional, but I really like to have lots of boxes on my catch-all or a lot of empty space to write. This is so busy, oh my lord. Here we go. A few more things and I'll be good to go. And I want to add the snow day because it ties in all of the colors. So we have the navy blue and the teal. So many boxes, oh my gosh. I do need one more thing on Saturday to kind of tie everything together, and I'm just looking for like a little circle or a flag or a page flag or something to tie me in there. Just look in the old winter book, I think that would have been perfect, but that has an ornament on it. Let's see, these dots, I need to use them at one point. Today, winter mood, I could have used that. Okay, let's see, maybe I can find something that matches in here. Sometimes all it is flipping through the books to find the perfect thing that you need. And that's all it takes once in a while. That's gonna be perfect. This is from the seasonal. And I think it's so gorgeous. This book is so much fun to use. As you can see, that's another book that I really love using. Okay, so I'm gonna add that. And I think that's it. Let me know what you guys think. The spread is super busy. So it's back to busy spreads. Let me know what you think. And I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye!